leadership. Both the office of the Chief Justice and the DPP fell vacant after the expiry of Benjamin Odoki's contract as CJ and the appointment of Richard Butera, former DPP, as judge of the Court of Appeal. Now, according to the judiciary, the aforementioned retirement and appointment have, however, left the judiciary and the Director of Public Prosecution in a state of near constitutional crisis, as a non-substantive appointment have since been made to fill these very crucial constitutional offices.
We continue to note with concern that the recent appointments have not addressed the long-standing need for a fully constituted Court of Appeal, Constitutional Court and the Supreme Court.
Uganda Law Society also argues that these vacancies have led to a backlog of cases and a delay in dispensing justice.
It would still feed into the backlog issues that we've always had in the judiciary. That when you're not satisfied with a High Court judgment, when you want to appeal at the appeal level, your matter cannot be heard because the Court of Appeal is not fully constituted.
For a constitutional petition to be heard, appeal to be heard by the Supreme Court, the entire bench of 11 justices must sit. They can't sit because they don't have numbers. So justice delayed, justice denied, and due process automatically abused.
Article 133 Clause 2 of the Constitution empowers the Deputy Chief Justice to hold the position of the Chief Justice in an acting capacity if it's vacant. In contention now is the fact that the current acting Chief Justice is also holding the position of the Deputy Chief Justice in an acting capacity.
Now that we find ourselves in this state, it is undesirable. We must therefore, in addressing it, follow the law and stick to the letter and spirit of our Constitution.
Meanwhile, for the position of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Law Society also cites challenges that accrue from the post being held by an acting director.
If, for example, a police officer arrested any one of us now, and that particular charge offense is required that it must be signed off by the DPP, then you will rot in the police cells because there is no DPP. So that is the effect it has.
So Uganda Law Society argues that the administration of justice in Uganda is critical to the economic development of the country, with the aim of achieving social and economic transformation and eradication of poverty. Maurice Ochol, NTV.